So your Ford F-150 engine light is on, and suddenly it feels like your trusty truck is whispering secrets in some foreign language. That little orange icon is basically your truck's way of saying, "Hey, I need attention, right now." Most people have absolutely no clue what to do when that happens. The first urge is a mix of panic and denial. You hope it's nothing big, but you also imagine the worst. Maybe if I turn it off and on again, it'll disappear. Spoiler, it usually doesn't. Here's the real kicker. Over half of these warning lights turn out to be relatively minor issues, like a loose gas cap or a failing O2 sensor. Yet ignoring it can turn your $20 fix into a $1,000 headache faster than you'd imagine. It's not just drama, it's math. If you're looking for step one, it's always the gas cap. Sounds silly, but if it's just a bit loose or if the seal is worn, the truck's computer freaks out. Tighten it, then drive for a few trips. Sometimes you're instantly the hero. But let's be real, more often it isn't the gas cap. Next, your move is grabbing an OBD-II scanner. They're surprisingly cheap, around $25 on Amazon, and you can read the truck's computer codes yourself. This gives you actual numbers instead of dark guesses. A common pain point is when the scanner spits out something intimidating like P0420. Suddenly you're down a YouTube rabbit hole, decoding it like ancient hieroglyphics. Pro tip, sites like OBDcodes.com break it down in normal human words. It's usually a sensor, not your whole engine. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is it safe to drive? If the engine light is solid, it's often not urgent, but if it's flashing, that means something is actively damaging your truck. That's a find a parking lot ASAP scenario. People also worry about passing emissions tests with that light on. Fun fact, over 40% of failed emissions are because of that stubborn light. Sometimes, literally, just for a $15 sensor that takes 10 minutes to swap. Don't let it haunt you. If it's something like an oxygen sensor or a dirty mass airflow sensor, you probably can fix it yourself with a $10 can of cleaner and a YouTube video. Just unplug, spray, and replug. It's like your truck needed a nasal rinse. Dealerships will charge $150 just to diagnose what a $25 scanner can tell you. That money could be your next camping trip, not vanishing into a black hole of labor fees. Don't be shy. DIY saves real dollars and builds confidence. A pro tip for Portland drivers: moisture and temperature swings are prime time for getting moisture into connectors. Sometimes, popping them in and out a couple of times is all it takes to restore a good connection. Electrical gremlins hate routine. Long story short, don't ignore the light, but don't panic either. 9 out of 10 times, it's not the engine about to explode. Get the code, search, fix, clear the light, and get back to your life. Your F-150 will thank you.